The Turkish cinema and TV series industry is growing by the day. This is an aspect of Turkey's development. We have a good grasp of the language of cinema, we understand people's reflexes well, and we stand on an unbelievably historical legacy.
En ağır yükü biz sırtlanacağız İlyas'ım.
Barbaroslar is one of the latest offerings. The drama depicts the life of Ottoman Navy Admiral Hayreddin Barbarossa, Redbeard, who lived during the empire's so-called Golden Age, during the reigns of emperors Selim I and Süleyman the Magnificent. It comes on the heels of Diriliş Ertuğrul, which was a huge success both domestically and internationally. Set in the 13th century, it is based on the life of Ertuğrul Gazi, father of Sultan Osman, the founder of the Ottoman Empire. 5 Spanish TV channels are in talks with Turkish service exporters to purchase new series too. Part of the popularity lies in the perspective. Turkish productions present a different view of Islamic history than that of mainstream Hollywood, where Muslims often play the villains or the terrorists.
We couldn't shoot like these stories, but we had a lot of heroes in the Muslim countries and Muslim cultures. So it was the first time, but it was real.